Hello everyone and welcome back to Camera West TV. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Leica M11 Monochrom. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the brand new Leica M11 Monochrom. So inside here, we are greeted with a little pamphlet for registering and getting some LFIs. Inside we have our quick start guide, a little test certificate thing, and the meat of everything. This is gonna be a very similar unboxing to, say, the Leica M11. Inside we have our USB-C cable to Lightning. Got our strap. Our charging adapter. Our battery charger hub. And the camera itself, but let's set this aside for right now. All right, so we have a USB-A to a USB-C cable. US and European adapter, and the piece they go with. And that is your charging setup right there. Here is the included leather strap. Just kind of a standard strap here, nothing too crazy, just plain black. And now that we're on the M11 platform, we have the M11 battery, which they taped pretty well. And here is the camera, which does feel pretty light without a battery in it. Let's go ahead and pop a battery in. All right, so this is the Leica M11 Monochrom. And as you can see, it's pretty similar to the M10 Monochrom. However, once you look down on the bottom side, there is quite a noticeable difference. Right away, I gotta say that the M11 version feels quite a bit lighter. So on top, we do have the monochrome designator, and we do see that this is the M11 edition. As you can see on top, everything is in the white and the gray for the coloring of the numbers. So this is the first monochrome to actually feature a backside illuminated CMOS sensor. And what that's gonna give us is 15 stops of dynamic range. It's going to give us an ISO of 125 all the way up to 200,000. Something different about this versus the M11 color version is that this does have 256 gigabytes of internal storage. And we do have a sapphire glass back. And the texture on the top is actually quite a bit different than the M10. The M10 is very smooth, whereas the M11 actually feels more textured, a little bit more like grippy in a sense. And that's gonna give it a much more scratch resistant finish. So just like all the other M11s, we have a USB-C down on the bottom. Inside the battery door here, we do have our SD card slot. Well, this has been a quick unboxing of the Leica M11 Monochrom. And before you leave, you really need to check out this video right here, where Carlo does a first look on the camera.